If you have a sequence in your project where you work, and now for some reason, you want to transfer this particular sequence to another computer, the easiest way to do that is a project manager. In the program navigation list, select a file, then Project Manager. Now we see some settings. The most important is the sequence. Here you can select the sequence or sequences you want to move out. Next, you can change transfer options. First, Premiere will copy files you have in a new folder with a new direction, and the second one, Premiere will take original files and transcript them into a new format you will select. I recommend to check the first option. Then you need to specify the location where you want to save the project. Take note, if you want to export everything from the project including videos you haven't used in the checked sequence, you must uncheck the function, Exclude Unused Clips. In another case, the Premiere will export and copy only the original video files used in a particular sequence. When you are done, click OK. The Premiere will open a dialog window where he says that the existing project must be saved. Agree with the window. After that, the Premiere will start exporting your sequence to the location you specified, with all the videos and audio in the chronology you had in your sequence. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.